Hello, my prepper posse. This is for Lily. I know, he's in his bed. And he's sad because Nicole's not here. So he's waiting for her to get home from work. Take. Hey, buddy. Take. Look at that face. It's super hot here today. Yeah, I got all the tools out because I've been working. If it rains, I'll tarp it. That's all I can do. I need my tools. Need them. Alright. Here it is, the surprise of the day. The washing machine came in. It's pretty exciting. It fits perfectly on my deck out here. And of course it'll also fit inside the shower during the winter, and it'll drain inside of here. It's adorable. I got the biggest one. It's a great agitator. I'll do a little laundry for you guys later on. You can either hand fill it or fill it with your sink drain. Either way, either side. It's an Artec. Got the wash. It also has the spin. And the spinner's here. I mean, I just got it. I haven't even taken everything out of it yet. Perfect. It's all we need. Shorts, shirts, towels, washcloths. It's adorable. Fits perfectly out here as well. I'll probably get a grill cover to cover it. And, in the summertime I'll leave it out on the deck. But in the winter, if we're inside and we want to do laundry, then I'll take it in and we'll do it in the bathroom. Oh, nice seat. So it's perfect. Yep, getting the deck up, the railing up on the deck. Got to do gates next. But there it is on the outside, and the gates will go up. The people that were supposed to do the deck, I had done a video way back, and they had taken the iron off of my building. Well, when we went to go find them, they're MIA. They took off. So forget about it, You just move on. That's how I feel about it. And I knew those people for 30 years. It's ridiculous. Whatever. Karma, baby, karma. Hope everybody's having a great day. Shout out to all my peeps. See you.